Here at Python Institute, we're always perfect, but when we're not, it's always recorded. Yes.
No. No. No.
Nope. Nope. Yep. I know.
No. Still not. What the f? No. That was a bad ending. No, actually, I have one more thing that we need to talk about. So let's do that again. No, let's do that again. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Wow. Let's do that again. Okay. Let's do that again. I'm gonna do that again. Ah, f. Fight. Lots of fight. Wow. I forgot you mentioned something, Jason.
What?
I'm gonna be a butthead.
Says Ethan. News update. Take 12.
What? A 3D flying printer. Flying 3D printer. That's not the same.
My butt on my head.
News update. Take 13.
No, that's not a right word. What the f? How about blinker fluid? Kaluoa? Kaluoa.
How the do you pronounce that? Anybody know?
This didn't tell me I don't know what.
Ah,
Wow, this is gonna be good. I can't talk.
Ah, f. Volcano tracking with drone. We'll talk about volcano tracking with drones. We'll talk about tracking All right, this is it. No, that's not even correct.
You know what my mom would say?
Good try, Ben. Good try.
And now that's recorded, so can't post that.